Today I want to drone at Japanese garden.
Yeah, we'll keep on saving. We're millionaires. Millionaires.
It's a good day today. Sunny, bright, no rain. A good day to fly, and we are here at Taman Jurong area. Assalamualaikum, jumpa lagi di Frugal Ding. Okay guys, I am now at Japanese garden. This is behind me, it's called the Oval. I'm gonna fly my drone here on Japanese garden, but yeah, let's take a look at OneMap first before we fly and make sure that we are alright to fly by the regulations under Singapore law. Okay, as usual, let's check on our OneMap on the drone query. Okay, why is this twisted? Okay, right, this is on the 3D. Okay, see, we are at Japanese Park. If you see this blue circle here, this is the warning on the areas within 5 kilometers of the aerodrome. That one we cannot fly. So how do you make this into 2D? Half of this park we can fly, so it's exactly Japanese garden. So the Chinese garden part we cannot fly, so we are only allowed to fly on the Japanese garden side. So I am here right in the middle of the field. Yeah, it's approved. Let's go. Looks like they have a bazaar in the garden. This is next week. I didn't know they have a pool here. Okay, as you can see on my fly screen here, this is too bright. Darker a bit. Okay, so on the bottom left here, if you see on our map, there is already a green H there, so means your home point is already been recorded. Yeah, so you check on my flight screen here, it says altitude limit for the GPS is 150 meter, but no worries, it's already been set at 60 meter height for Singapore requirement. Okay, battery 99%, all good to go. There's some people actually here jogging around. Be safe, watch out for these people, do not be flying overhead them too near. So we need to take off as soon as it clears, and we will look around Japanese garden. Manual rotor on. Enhanced warning zone. Private recreational airport. This file with caution. Yes, confirm. This is only around 37. Take a look at the surrounding. Zoom down a bit maybe. So if you turn one round, and at this height actually you pass all the trees, safe to maneuver around actually. So Japanese garden, you can see the beautiful lake there. Okay, so now see, I want to go above. This is just now, if you see, it's called the oval. That's the parking that we park our bike. This is the oval. You want to go up? Let's go up. Maximize it. We go up 60 meters, okay?
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Maximum altitude. Camera facing down 60 meters, you see nothing. Put up the angle a bit. So that's the swimming pool that I didn't know of. Here got swimming pool. That's the end of Taman Jurong there, where the McDonald is. The lake. I don't know what building is this one. So according to the map, you see this block here? This is the condo, the old condo. I think block 9H or something, or 9G or 9H. So we cannot pass there because that's the 5-kilometer mark of the aerodrome, which is nearby Tengah Airport. So we can only fly from here towards the right side. I like to follow the stream if this can. Oh my god, the tree is blocking me so I can't see. Can't see where's my drone. So I have to rely just on the screen. Let's go. Push down a bit. See this S snake-like trail, nice, huh? Okay, I hope these trees won't block my antenna signal. I wanna follow the stream. So brown. At the same time, let's take some recordings. Remote controller weak signal already. Gosh. Avoid blocking antennas. So then how am I gonna fly that far? You see the screen go, oh my god, black and white means you can't get him anymore. Okay, I'll walk nearer to my drone and I'll stop this screen recording first. Okay, just exactly as I land my drone, about to keep, and the officer here on a buggy came to my side. Very friendly guy. He says, okay, I'm not actually allowed to fly here in this park under the NParks rules. Okay, so looks like it's nothing. The officer also told me no problem. He just tell me what's going on. So because I explained to him, I did take the course and it's required for me to check on OneMap that I can fly. So OneMap indeed says this is the place alright to fly, but looks like the owner of this place, NParks, don't allows it. So actually, so yeah, I think I also need to check the NParks website to verify which park is not allowed to fly. Okay, maybe I apologize on that part. I forget to check which park is allowed to fly. So yeah, I will go home and search, and I will show you soon which parks are allowed to fly. But then of course, yeah, he don't even say a warning. He just take a picture, and he said just a small report that he need to write in. But no worries, he said there is no summon, no nothing, no. Yeah, so it's fine. But then, so the next time that I want to fly in the areas of a park, I need to go into NParks website and make sure that the park is allowed to fly drone. Of course, that's why the officer was also telling this OneMap should also be updated. I don't know about that, because OneMap already segregate all the areas that are not allowed to fly. So yeah, so as a drone pilot, you need to check on both sides, then OneMap and also NParks website. Okay, so I think that's about it for today. Flying over Japanese garden, nice view, nice place, nice weather today. So that's all from me. Yeah, Ting Amando from Frugal Ding signing off. See you next week, inshallah. Assalamualaikum. So actually, they have this signboard of garden etiquette right at the bottom right here. No flying of model aircraft. Okay, so yeah, airspace wise, no problem, but it's land wise belongs to NParks. So NParks put a regulation that we are not allowed to fly on their premises. But look at this. Okay, let me tell you, we are here at the oval, so this space here we can fly, right? Chinese garden side, there's a line here, the 5 km mark, so you can't fly that towards Tengah Airport, not allowed. So Japanese garden, no problem. So if actually I park my motorcycle at the blocks over here, I can fly, no problem, because the land that I fly is HDB's one. I don't know whether if I need to check with HDB whether I can fly a drone from their land or not. So yeah, there's so many gray areas with flying a drone here in Singapore, but no problem, just do it safely so that no one will bother you. Take care. Okay, one final info for you guys. I have gone into NParks website and go to under, I search for these parks with no fly signs. So basically, these are the list of the parks that are not allowed to fly a drone. Okay, slowly read from the top there. Bukit Batok Nature Park, going down, Chestnut Nature Park, Jurong Lake Gardens is one of them. Even Labrador is not allowed. Lower Pierce Reservoir is not allowed. Pulau Ubin is also not allowed. Singapore Botanic Gardens is not allowed. Sungai Buloh Wetland Reserve is also not allowed. So basically, that's a lot of parks that is not allowed to fly a drone. So that's Singapore for you.